where we met, I can tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me.
This is a forest reserve in Hiniduma area. What a nice place for watching birds. As this place is so close to Sinharaja entrance and Kanneliya Forest Reserve, there is nice biodiversity. This site is so adventurous because there are a lot of birds such as white-browed bulbul, red-vented bulbul, blue-cheeked bee-eaters, striped munias, and yellow-fronted barbets, and so many other red birds. Not only that you see so many wild animals such as wild boars, samba deers,